In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a plugin from zip file on your WordPress dashboard. So after watching this video, you are able to do this work perfectly. First, I'm going on my WordPress dashboard. You can see here are lots of plugin available. So I need to install from a zip file right now. So just go to google.com. Then first of all, write your duplicate page. You can install any plugin. I write here plugin WP. Just click on enter. You can see this is a duplicate page WP plugin. I mean WordPress plugins. You need to just install from here. So I downloading fast. You can see already downloaded. So just click on upload plugin. Choose file. Then duplicate page. Okay, it's already uploading. Just click on install right now. Again click on active plugin. Okay, it's already added on my WordPress dashboard. Example purpose, you can see this is a my duplicate page plugin. So this is a method how you can add a plugin from zip file on your WordPress dashboard. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.